Hi, I just found your job post about integrating GA4 data with integrating your GA4 data, your meta ads data, and your CRM data with BigQuery. I believe what you want to do is integrate and analyze your data. So within the next 5 minutes, I'll be explaining how this can be easily implemented. So the very first step we are going to take is connecting to our data set source. Connecting to our data source and extracting the data and storing it in BigQuery. This is a platform commonly used for this. This platform helps you connect with your data source, extract it, and load it into multiple destinations like BigQuery and much more. You can see it connects to multiple data sources, social media data, web analytics data, advertising data, as much as you want. So once this data is extracted, we can now load it into BigQuery. You can see it allows for BigQuery exports, precisely explained. There are also other places you can export your data to. You can export your data to other platforms. But for this video, I believe in your description you talked about BigQuery particularly. So yes, BigQuery. Now the next step we are going to take is analysis. So what we are going to do after storing your data in BigQuery is analyzing your data. I have extensive experience using BigQuery for all sorts of things, from creating real-time pipelines to integrating data from across multiple platforms, Shopify, Google Ads, local CSV data, and much more. So basically, we can calculate any metric you want: revenue, conversions, sales, ROAS, ad cost per sale, cost per conversion, and much more. Anything you really want to analyze can be done using BigQuery. BigQuery is very, very good for data analysis. Now, you talked about something in your job description. You talked about attribution. Now, I have multiple SQL scripts in GA4 ready to be used to calculate attribution using the three most commonly used methods: first click, last click, and last non-direct click. I have multiple ready to use queries. These are the queries, and you can see the results beneath. You can see the results. Basically, if you want to attribute every conversion to a source or medium, this script does that for you. That's why you can see this values, you can see this the number of conversions and much more. And yeah, once this is done, we now visualize your data. You can bring out all the attribution scripts, all the attribution metrics into Looker Studio and present it to you in a very, very beautiful format, so you understand what is truly going on in your business. So this is it. These are multiple dashboards I have created in the past about data analysis and much more. So this is it. Yes, I believe this explains everything you need to know about your project. I look forward to hearing from you.